Department of National Defense, DND, Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. said on Tuesday evening that they had considered a new set of specifications and quantities for the country's multi-role fighter, MRF, program, which they would present to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for approval to procure the multi-role fighter which DND will acquire for the Philippine Air Force. Prior to this, the Philippine Air Force has selected the Saab JAS 39C-D Gripen, wherein 14 were offered despite the specifications calling for a minimum of 12 aircraft. He said the terms of reference, TOR, for the project came out on Monday. It came out yesterday, Monday, our TOR for the MRF, and then once it is approved by the President, the TOR will go to Horizon 3 of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program. There is a new Horizon 3, which we have to present to the President for him to approve, Teodoro said. He also said AFP Chief General Romeo Brawner Jr. and the DND Undersecretaries gave their thoughts on the specifications and the revised Horizon 3. We talked about with the Chief of Staff the specifications earlier. Our Undersecretaries put in their 2 cents worth. They will come out with that and the rest of the new Horizon 3 and then we will submit it to the President for approval, he added. Teodoro, however, did not give details on whether the new Horizon 3 that they will present to the Chief Executive is part of the ongoing re-horizoning and re-strategization efforts for the AFP Modernization Program. Initially, the AFP Modernization Program's Horizon 3 is scheduled for 2023 to 2028, while Horizon 2 is from 2018 to 2022 and Horizon 1 is from 2013 to 2017. The multi-role fighter jet acquisition project of the Philippine Air Force can consider as one of the most ambitious acquisition projects that the Armed Forces of the Philippines has throughout its modernization program under the Republic Act 10349, especially that this project will provide the Philippine Air Force far more capable fighter jets that both can defend its airspace and provide close air support operations, hence its description as a multi-role fighter. If the PAF changes the quantity of the fighters to be acquired, it could spell doom for Saab and Sweden to sell the 14 new but unfinished airframes being kept by Saab for sale to interested buyers. Since there are only 14 airframes available, a change in quantity, which we believe could be between 24 to 36, closes the door to Saab, unless the PAF and DND will do a mixed procurement and take advantage of Saab's ability to deliver the Gripens in less than 2 years. 2 aircraft manufacturers are the primary participants for this acquisition project, with each of them are hoping to secure the contract of providing at least 12 units of multi-role fighters for the Philippine Air Force requirements. One is Lockheed Martin and their F-16 Viper multi-role fighter jets, that is a mainstay fighter jet for multiple air forces across the world, including a multitude of squadrons within the United States Air Force. The other is Saab and their JAS 39 Gripen Block C/D jets, as they show the desire to secure another customer of the jets in the Indo-Pacific region, aside from Thailand. One possibility that can arise here is the chances for the Philippine Air Force to get at least 16 to 24 units of used F-16s upgradable to Viper variant, under the Excess Defense Articles of the United States, coming at the top of the ones under the multi-role fighter jet acquisition project of the Air Service Branch, with Lockheed Martin offering brand new F-16 Viper to the Philippine Air Force approved by the US government under DSCA. As Max Defense PH already mentioned before, there are ongoing negotiations for used F-16s to be procured, granted for the PAF. Since brand new F-16 Block 70 Vipers are expensive and have a long delivery lead time, it is highly possible that the DND and PAF are looking at mixed procurement of new and used F-16s. Another note to take on is the number of F-16s provided under Excess Defense Articles or EDAs, as the numbers may change to its final amounts, although the source has provided information that it may come with at least 2 squadrons or 24 units, far more than what Saab provided with their JAS 39 Gripen C/D fighter jets. The competition between 2 aircraft manufacturers intensifies as the leadership within the Philippine Air Force and the Department of National Defense are still into maximizing the offers that both Lockheed Martin and Saab have offered to them, as this comes with diplomatic and political considerations that gives any leverage to the both aerospace companies, like with Lockheed Martin having the full backing of the United States in offering their fighter jets to the Philippines. Another possibility is the procurement of 24 to 36 FA-50 Block 20 Fighting Eagles from South Korea, while also negotiating for used F-16C/D Fighting Falcons from the US.